Looking for a professional and dependable janitorial service in Fort Worth, Texas with proven success? Consider Cleaning Solutions USA, a leader in the cleaning industry to date. Our staff is professional, well-trained, supervised, uniformed, identifying badges, and a complete background check is administered before entering your facility. We are a complete cleaning service to include custodial contracts, carpet shampooing, all types of floor care, marble, wood, epoxy, ceramic, and vinyl, professional window cleaning, and a full line of paper products, trash bags, and cleaning solutions discounted for you. Our company also offers a complete building maintenance service with certified plumbers, electricians, HVAC, remodelers, professional cubicle installers, office relocation, and much more. Your facility will never look better. Call us today and let us serve your company. Cleaning Solutions USA.